being bestowed this award, it really makes me feel very humble and brings me great sense of humility. I always wanted to see how I could affect people with the most need. I would have never known about this if I wasn't in Imihola and in the Marshall Islands. It's really learning about population health. And that's the lens of medicine of how do you not only deliver individual care in high quality, but how do you affect the health of an entire population, in this case, the Pacific? Do you just see as many patients as you can? No, you have to change the system. You have to do the research to see how to change the system. You have to get the grants that allow you to do the large programs for non-communicable disease control, tobacco control, reorganizing how the health system does things, like forming what we have now, the Cancer Council of the Pacific Islands, putting in a cancer registry. All of those are foundational elements of research, but it's the way of thinking of, in order to affect population health, taking the knowledge that Imihola and the medical school has helped me with in the policy. How do you do that? I always wanted to see how I could affect people with the most need. And so that would mean I'd have to go into areas where there's not going to be a lot of, different specialties. And I'd actually have to do the best I can. So that's why family medicine appealed to me, because I would be able to do that in rural settings, in mission settings. The work that I do is not my own. It's really a reflection of multiple people, partners, JABSOM as an institution, but also multiple people who are heavy hitters that have come through JABSOM that are friends and colleagues. I look at my colleagues and folks who I've graduated with, and many of them have done, to me, much greater work than I have, but also have provided because of what I learned from them, their work ethic, their energy, their refusal to stop working, and the different things that they've said that this is important. What you're seeing, and if it is a light or this work, it's a product of many people. But the deeper cultural meaning, from what I understand, it means is when you embellish something and make it look shiny and charming, whatever it is, what you are actually doing is integrating and celebrating it from the foundation from which it came. And so if that's what the award is, and taking that, and I can celebrate all these colleagues, and some who have passed, Emeraluli, very good friend, and worked with them, and very much Kekuni Blaisdell, and as teachers, and Dr. Irv Schatz. It's one of these things where they've been part of me, their story's been part of me, and then if that's what the HIA Award is, you know what, for them, it's a goal.